How to get your first money. By sharing his link to friends on Facebook, Twitter, Telegram, Line, etc. He is offline when he successfully registers through his email. He will become your direct subordinate, and you will form a team with him. Invited users who invite others are also counted as part of your team. As long as the number of team members and team recharge conditions are met, the agent level can be upgraded. Level 10 agents are guaranteed to earn 6 million USDT in 2 months. How long is the payback cycle? Growing and farming on land, ranch, and then selling it in the whole counts as your earnings. Increasing the land, ranch level can speed up revenue acquisition, while also reducing payback cycles. After returning the capital, the future income is you're earning at the same return of this return period. Continue to pull new fish in offline, and will also get the rebate of subordinate performance. As VIP level is greater than level 1, and the performance will only be counted if they consume gems to upgrade land, ranch, consume gems to unlock land, ranch, food. Direct subordinate standards, general generation awards, commission competitions, B-homes, money rain, daily login benefits, first deposit benefits, upgrade packages and other value-added activities.